Double-hung windows are a popular choice in Glendale homes thanks to their classic appearance, easy ventilation, and convenient tilt in design. With Glendale's hot summers, dust, and occasional monsoon storms, regular maintenance and proper cleaning are essential to keep these windows performing well and looking great. The good news is that double-hung windows are designed to be homeowner-friendly, making upkeep simple when done consistently. Here's how Glendale homeowners can maintain and clean double-hung windows to extend their lifespan and preserve comfort year-round. Take advantage of the tilt-in feature for easy cleaning. One of the biggest benefits of double-hung windows is their tilt-in sashes, which allow you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. To clean safely, unlock the window and tilt the lower sash inward. Lower the top sash slightly and tilt it inward as well. Use a soft microfiber cloth or squeegee with mild soap and water. This design is especially convenient in Glendale, where second-story windows can collect dust quickly. Clean glass regularly to prevent buildup. Glendale's dry climate and wind can cause dust and debris to settle on window glass more often than in cooler regions. Cleaning the glass regularly prevents buildup that can dull visibility. Best practices include cleaning glass every few months, avoiding harsh chemicals that can damage coatings, drying glass thoroughly to prevent streaks. Clear glass not only looks better but also allows more natural light into your home. Keep tracks and frames free of dust and sand. Dust and fine sand are common in Glendale and can accumulate in window tracks, affecting smooth operation. To maintain tracks, vacuum loose debris using a soft brush attachment. Wipe tracks with a damp cloth. Avoid heavy lubricants that attract dirt. Clean tracks help sashes slide smoothly and reduce wear on hardware. Inspect and clean weatherstripping. Weatherstripping plays a crucial role in keeping hot air out during Glendale's summer months. Over time, dust and debris can reduce its effectiveness. Maintenance tips. Gently wipe weatherstripping with a damp cloth. Check for cracks, flattening, or gaps to replace worn weatherstripping as needed. Well-maintained seals help improve energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Check locks and hardware for smooth operation. Double-hung windows rely on locks and balances to function properly. Heat and daily use can cause hardware to loosen or wear over time. Homeowners should test locks periodically to ensure they engage properly. Tighten loose screws carefully. Listen for unusual noises when opening or closing windows. If windows won't stay open or feel heavy, a professional inspection may be needed. Lubricate moving parts sparingly. A small amount of lubrication can help maintain smooth window operation, especially during extreme heat when materials expand. Use silicone-based spray lubricants. Light application on tracks and balance points. Avoid oil-based products, which can attract dust and grime common in Glendale's environment. Watch for signs of moisture or seal failure. Although Glendale is mostly dry, monsoon season can introduce moisture issues. Condensation between panes or moisture around frames may indicate seal failure. If you notice fogging between glass panes, persistent condensation, soft or discolored frame areas, it's best to contact a professional to prevent further damage. Schedule periodic professional inspections. Even with regular homeowner maintenance, professional inspections help catch small issues early. Professional services can adjust balances and sashes to replace worn seals. Ensure windows are properly aligned. This proactive care extends the life of your double-hung windows. Maintain comfort and appearance year-round. Clean, well-maintained double-hung windows help Glendale homes stay cooler, brighter, and more comfortable, especially during peak summer months. Simple care for long-lasting performance. Maintaining and cleaning double-hung windows in Glendale homes doesn't require much time, but it makes a big difference. Regular cleaning, track maintenance, seal inspections, and occasional professional care keep windows operating smoothly and efficiently. With consistent upkeep, Glendale homeowners can enjoy clear views, reliable ventilation, and lasting comfort from their double-hung windows for many years to come.